I'm Jake Anderson. I'm a opal miner slash caretaker. Manganese vapors being forced up by the volcano, mixing in with your hydrated silica, is what's giving you your black background, which makes this place so rare and unique. Only 2 places in the world that produce this stuff in mass quantities here in Australia. And this is the only place that produces the jet black background with the red fire. We're in the Northern Lights right now. It's a lode claim. Those signs are boundary markers.
Opals are amorphous. They don't have any definite crystalline structure. But you can recognize opals by some characteristics like a whitish outer skin. But if it's chipped, you see the inside is all glassy because opals is just glass. They take the shape of whatever cavity or whatever object that the hot silica solution came across at that time. It could be a piece of wood, and sometimes you find opals that are shaped like wood. The stuff you find in our opal bearing bed is about 12 to 14 million years old. So that's a fossil, you know.